Do you want fix a SUPERVIVE stuttering or lagging? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. We are going to the Steam, okay, and here we are going to this, okay, in top, go to the library, and here you go to the section, okay, of your games, and go to the SUPERVIVE, okay, go to this icon, okay, and go to the properties. Here in the properties, okay, we are going to the launch options, okay, and go to the put dash dx11, or if not work this, dash dx12, okay, and you solve the problem, okay. If not work this, go to the inside files and go to the verify integrity of game files. You click and you wait, okay. And if not work this, go to the DLCs, okay, and if you have any DLC for install, okay, you install the DLC and you solve the problem. Bye bye.